Good evening, Dimano,
Good evening, Doug.
and congratulations.
Thank you.
Here goes your question. According to the latest research, women are the demographic most affected by gambling. What do you think is the cause of this? And what do you think needs to be done to address this matter? In 30 seconds.
Thank you for the question. With the recent research regarding to ladies being more prone to gambling, I believe that is due to ladies being